Good morning, my dear students. This is Surya. I'm chemistry teacher. Welcome in chapter chemistry wala Anand sir. So let us discuss the chapter number 1, material and our surroundings. This is the class 9th of chemistry, date 9th January 2026. These are the questions of NCERT. We are going to discuss the questions of NCERT, page number 10. Why does a desert cooler cool better on a hot dry day? A desert cooler functions on the basis of evaporation. So the rate of evaporation increases with increase in temperature and decrease in humidity as evaporation increases when the day is hot and dry. So the desert cooler function to a better extent. Question number 2. Question number 2 is how does the water kept in an earthen pot, that is matka, become cool during summer? Large number of tiny pores is present on the surface of the earthen pot, that is matka. The water stored in the earthen pot, that is matka, evaporate faster through these pores due to the increased exposed surface area. So the main thing is the increased surface area. As the process of evaporation causes cooling, the stored water inside the earthen pot matka becomes cool. So this is all about the question number 1 and question number 2. Let's discuss the question number 3 and 4. So my dear student, on the shorts give more views and views, because shorts are the very important, the introduction of the topic of today. Right now we will going to discuss the question number 3, 4 and 5 fastly. So the video is too long, not too long. But don't skip the video, go throughout the whole video and give like and shares also to the student who are the 9th class student. So my dear student, let us start the question number 3. As the NCERT book in our hand, so just keep in your mind that I am going to cover the NCERT syllabus and not beyond the NCERT but deep structure. Why does our palm feel cold? Question number 3. Why does our palm feel cold? Why does our palm feel cold? Why does our palm feel cold? When we put some acetone, when we put some acetone or petrol or perfume on it, or petrol or perfume on it. This is the question number 3. So the answer: acetone, petrol, perfume, etc. Acetone. Answer is right now. Acetone, petrol, perfume, etc. being volatile in nature. Okay. Evaporate very fast when exposed to. Evaporates very fast when exposed to large surface larger surfaces. During the process they absorb the required they absorb the required latent heat of required latent heat of vaporization from the palm, from the palm. Okay, if kept on palm, if kept on palm. Is it clear? So the process causing cooling. So the process causing cooling and palm feel cool, and palm feel cool. So let us discuss the question number 3. Why does palm feel cold when we put some acetone, petrol or perfume on it? So acetone, petrol, perfume, etc. being volatile in nature, evaporates very fast when exposed to larger surface. During the process, they absorb the required latent heat of vaporization from the palm if kept on palm. So the process causing cooling and palm feel cool. So these are the answer. Question number 4. Why are we able to sip hot tea? Why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer, or milk faster from a saucer rather than a cup, rather than a cup? So give me the answer. A liquid has large surface area. A liquid has, I'm giving you the answer. A liquid has large surface area. A liquid has large surface area in a saucer than in a cup. In a saucer than in a cup. So my dear student, thus it evaporates faster and cools. Thus it evaporates. Thus it evaporates faster and cools faster. Thus it evaporates faster and cools faster in a saucer than in a saucer than in a cup. After that, this is question number 4. For this reason, we are able to see. For this reason, we are able to sip. We are able to sip hot tea or milk faster. Hot tea or milk faster from a saucer. A saucer rather than a cup. Okay, is it quite clear? So let us understand the question. Question number 4. Why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer rather than a cup? A liquid has large surface area in a saucer than in a cup. Thus, it evaporates faster and cools faster in a saucer than in a cup. For this reason, we are able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer rather than a cup. So, this is the answer. What are the type of clothes should we wear in summer? Question number 5 and the last question, but not less is what type of clothes should we wear in a summer? Summer. We wear light cloth. Wear light cloth. We wear light colored cotton. Colored cotton cloth in summer because cloths in because of the following reason. Cotton is a good absorber of water. Cotton is a good absorber of water. Sweat. It provides more. It provides more surface area for the sweat to evaporate. Two number. Light color absorb less heat. Light color absorb less heat. And third number is wearing light colored cotton cloth. Wearing light colored cotton cloths help us feeling cool. Help us feeling cool and comfortable. So these are the things. So my dear student, let us understand the things about what we are reading. Okay. So the things all about the question number 4. I will make down to the camera. The question number 4 is something special. So let us understand the question number 4 also. And we already understand the question number 3, question number 4. Let us understand question number 5. What type of clothes should we wear in a summer? We wear light colored cotton cloth in summer because cotton is a good absorber of water sweat. Okay, it provides more surface area for the sweat to evaporate, and light colored absorb less heat. Third, wearing light colored cotton cloths help us feeling good and comfortable. So this is all about the question number 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Thank you for watching my video. This is Suryan Chemistry here. Welcome to channel Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Don't skip the video. Go throughout the video. Give more views, like and share to the student of class 9. And thank you for watching. Give more views and subscribe the channel more and more. Thank you all of you.